Dumelang ba mamedi ka gae. Leina laka ke nna Angel Noko. Ge ke itheta ke ipitša Angel Knox. Le hono le rena le moeng wa rena mo lenaneong laka le le bitswang a re boleleng le Angel Noko. Sesi o a leng ka mo a nketetšeng le hono batho ba gešo. Ba bantšhi ba tseba story sa gage. Wa tseba ba se bone go mararang kodi mole ba sekwa a se narrator se le bohloko le nna ke bone gona moo mara sesi o gantša a narrator ditori tša gage ba gešo ke bone o ka ra go na le di-question tše ke na leng tšona o ka reng ga a di araba gabotse moo jwale le kgolo le re tlo a hlahla dipotšišo tša bamamedi tše e leng goreng ga ba kwešiše gore na why a sa araba dipotšišo tše ding ga botse goba ba na le dipotšišo ba bamedi ba mphile tšona di gona mo founung yaka ba nyaka gore ke mo potšiše tšona napile arabe go na le mo ka reng ditaba tša gage ke tše dintšhi mara ga a di fetša ka moka jwale mo ga re tlo thoma story fase re a hlahla dilo tša sa di botšišang ba mpotšišitše dipotšišo ka yena ko TikTok ba mpotšiša tšona straight on my platforms ba re sesi o le nyakana le yena o mokgwetše e ke re analyze dilo tše e ka reng re na le di-question go tšona jwale ga re mo amogeleng sesi Caron dumela ngwanešo le kae le seke la lebala lena ba mamedi gore nna le nna ke bile molatedi wa gage kore ka mošala morago ra ba ra kgwetšana tšeo le tlatla le dikwa ge matšantši a ntša ea jwale theele tša mmo re tsenelela ka gare ga dipotšišo ntle le go senya nako sesi Caron
Yes.
ra go amogela gape re bone story sa gago se tletše mo gohle ka di-platform tše dintšhi o se bolela wa tseba o rile o se bolela ko TikTok ka tepona le nna ke lla gobane basadi ba bantšhi ba sepela godimo ga mathata
Se bohlokwa
basadi ba bantšhi ba lla
ka nnete.
ke eng e go dirileng gore o be brave gore o šale e le gore o tsenelela go story se wa se share
Yo, mengwaga e 7 ke lwantwa e. E rile ka di 31 tša October. Ga magistrate a fetšo mmolela gore ntate o tsena tronkong bophelo jwa gago ka moka. Kore ka bona ke re
okay
ke le mara pelo le yona e le bohloko gore wa sepela.
gore wa
Ha ke
sepela
fetša mo ka ra wa batho lefase ka moka le swantše lekwe gore basadi le swantše le
going through a
bolele
lot
basadi tlogelang go dula manyalong a fišang
o re o tšhaba gore batho ba
o
tla
tšhaba
reng
gore batho ba tla reng
yeah
monna šo o dirile dilo tše bošula and then nna ka fila gore aowa a se lerato le leso o ka se re o rata motho wa dira bošula bo boso wa bo expecta gore nna ke tle ke tlo go šireletša ke lerato le le jwang
ke
le
lerato le le jwang
ke
lona
ka moka
leo
go bona gore aowa I must tell the people that you know what women you have to stand for what is right. You cannot build a marriage on lies, on such evil things. So ke bone gore ha nka bolela basadi ba bantši ba tlo thušega
ka tlo thušega
le bana ba bantši ba tlo thušega
le a
and
kwa ba
le
mamedi
setšhaba se swantše se ntsebe gore ke nna mang nnete yona ke ema ka yona ke dula ka yona a gona lenyalo le ke tlo le šireletšang because monna a dirile bošula gomme nna ke re ka baka la gore wa patela o gola go feta nna mara ke bone gore aowa abuti if e le gore nna ke swantše ke go šireletše o dirile bošula boso lenyalo le kampjane la fela
la tekwela ba mamedi sesi Caron a re o seke wa dula ka gare ga lenyalo o le mosadi wa swa gobane go ntse o e swa o šireletša motho o mongwe yena a sa swego a go khoseditše mohloko nako a gone jwale malwetši a topa jwale wena o na le mathata bula molomo tla le wena o tlo shera jwale ka sesi Caron mara le gone le theeletšang setori sa gage sa se širile somewhere jwale le go le re targeta di-question tša bamamedi ba gage ba latedi ba gage ba e le gore ba nyaka go tseba le go feta sesi Caron potšišo ya mathomo ke gore bamamedi ba gago ba bona o ka re le go tswile mo lenyalong leo le go feditše monna ba maahlotše ba molao ba bona o ka re wena o ka re go na le ka mokgwa o sa mo llelago o ka re o sa mo nyaka beke e ka ba e le gore go jwale ka ge ba bona
ga ke monyake back hawa le ga ka bua nka seke ka ra wa re boelane
ee
hawa go ka se kgonega mara go mollela ke the soul ne kore ke kwa ke utlwa bohloko gore monna ya beng a ena le botho jo boka a ka felelela tromkong a thusa gore o felelela go ba ga Satan gore kgante redemption ya modimo e swanela ba ba jwang gobane monna ye ka mokgwa a beng a le ka gona bana ba gagwe ba mo tshepa nna ke be ke mo tshepa bana ba gešo ka moka lelapa la gešo ba mo tshepa yaanong šulo gone jwalo o aperetse overall tše orange a ke tsebe gore o aperetse orange gore ke tše blue tsone tše di apereng and then o languisha in prison. That is where my heart is. I just feel very sad.
yes
And to be honest, I'm feeling very sad. It is not how I wanted my marriage to end.
okay
I believed very strongly that me and him were destined for eternity. I believed that we were going to raise our grandchildren together.
okay
And just thinking about that, it really is painful because, I mean, we walked the streets of South Africa hand in glove with one another. I never felt strong sense that me and him were going to part ways this way. We were not like 100% okay. We had our ups and downs, our high and lows. But I thought that those high and lows were things that we could overcome. But I never thought something so terrible, devastating, hurting, painful would happen to us. And the biggest shock of them all is how he reacted.
wow
His response was the one that really blew me away. So my pain, my head, my sorrow is that this is not what I signed up for. I thought that we were going to grow old together. I thought that we were going to raise our grandchildren together, but destiny had it this way.
wow batheledi la tekwaela se se Caron wa raba dipušišo tša lena mo lenaneng la a re boleleng le Angel Noko se se Caron o ra gore ge nkabe monna o sona se ke go bušang sona go ntšwale ke se se tšwang go ba mamedi ba ga ba nyaka go tseba o ra gore ge nkabe monna o a tšwelele a te tšwetše nyanyeng a te polele go wena jwale ka ge baebele re boltšanang dibi tša lena and then confess towards each other ge nkabe a tle go wena a confess gore moga jaaka ke dirile so o ra gore no tlo mo swarela and then wa phumula molato ole wa o šofela ka saeteng molato wa ngwane wa gore o reipile
Ha ke kgole gore ke be ke tlo phumola. Mara ke be ke tla mo kwela bohloko gore o accept
yes
his wrongs. I would have still ke ile maphodiseng
yes
ke botse molato. But maybe ne ke tla be ke rile because o kwa bohloko mo kweleng bohloko. Not gore a seke a ba a swarishiwa. Mo gona ne nka seke.
okay
Ne nka seke. I know in my heart of hearts gore ha ne ke bula case e ke e botse ke tseba gore o swanetše a face the full might of the law, that justice must prevail. But it's the length, it's the depth of
Yes.
that justice that I would. But because he was not remorseful, because he was not repenting, because he was not sorry, he is very far from acknowledging the wrongs that he has done. Like, he is very far. For me, when I look at him right now, he's the devil incarnate.
wow
Because he's doing everything in his power to look at me, to paint me as an evil person rather than what he has done. So for me is that because the minute you cover up a crime of this nature,
yes
you are not helping anybody. You're not helping him. You're not helping yourself. You are actually further hurting, violating the very same innocent soul that he has had because what you are doing is that you are downplaying something that is very evil.
Yeah.
What I found out about my action and the support that I gave the child is that her healing will be more stronger and more impactful
Yeah.
because I support her, because I believe her, because I am there for her.
Okay.
This man, had he said to this child, I know what I've done to you,
Yeah.
and I am sorry for what I've done to you, the healing of that child would still be stronger. It doesn't remove away from what he has done, because what he has done is a serious, serious damage, long-term consequences. There is nothing that will undo the
Yeah.
kind of damage that this man has done to the child. But the healing and the acknowledgement that they believe me, he believes, he knows, he has acknowledged what he has done. I think it will ease the pain. It will not remove it, it will ease the pain. Just like what she's going through right now, with me believing her, with me supporting her, with me being her. And I think you might have heard in one of the videos where I played her voice at the background, she said that the support that you gave me, Mamokolo, the support that my sister gave me was just enough.
How old is the child now?
She is 17 years old now.
Wow.
Yes.
So she's noticing dintho tse o di dirileng go ya bophelong ba gage gore the impact o e dirileng is very big, and she's grateful, right?
Very grateful about that. And I pray to God to give me more strength and more wisdom to continuously be there for this child.
If I may ask you, go tsena ganong, ke nyaka go tseba gore na the pain e no e feela towards the child was this same pain like as if it's your biological child, or it was like a pain of ke ngwana wa.
You know, it was a pain that that it's like she was my biological, she is my biological child. Because when children come into my life, I had this thing that I will go to God and I pray and say, God, connect my umbilical cord to this child so that I can feel their pain as mine. Even my adopted daughter, I remember there was a time when I had to pray to God to say, God, I'm bringing this child into this house. Connect our umbilical cord. Let us be spiritually connected so that when she cries, I cry. So that when she's in joy, I become joyful. So the same thing as the child. I adopted an attitude that says that my younger sister's children are my children too. And I wanted my children to also believe that their aunt's children are their siblings too. So that pain, it's hurtful. It's even more, you know why? Because this child came into our life for care. Who would want to be cared by somebody except their mother? But when a child has to be cared by you because they have nowhere else to go but your home, and then you come and you violate them in that manner, you can only be the devil.
According to you, what pushes a man to do such act, especially when you have a wife next to you every day? What caused this urge ya gore ba ye mo baneng ba bannyane ba iphumule whatever?
You know, studies have been done that sometimes indicate that a person could have been violated as a child, and therefore that is why they are doing this. Some other studies have also demonstrated that maybe it's just a criminal act. But to be honest, I don't think there's any justification for what they have done. It's sheer evil. It's selfishness. It's just a man who is not in control of his edges, of himself, and is a man who is using his own power and strength to pry on vulnerable children. There is no excuse for it. And I think whatever explanation that is out there, it will be an explanation. But the mere fact of the matter is that you've done something that is very evil, something that is a crime, that is something that is very unjust. And there is no, for me, you cannot be exonerated for that.
Ke nagana gore gape le se sengwe se just to add mo go dintho tse o di bolelang ke nagana gore gape e dira le ke gore nowadays go na le di-pornography ra di bona di-video tse le tsona di mole di ratwa ke banna gagolo le tsona di na le memoya ga ke se bore ke bolela right memoya e mentšhi ya go tsena gobane go o lebeletse dilo tse di jalo mmele wa change o nyaka go dira o feletša o sa kgotsofale ka lelapeng go fiwa se o se fiwang a o sa kgotsofala o lebeletse and once wa thoma ka madi a mannyane o dula wa nyaka and ke nagana gape le gore monna wo relationship ya gage le modimo e santse ba e fokola e ka ba ke bolela sense go ba ke bolele sense se se Kerone.
I'll start with the last one to say relationship ya gagwe le modimo e swantse fokola. He was able to really camouflage or portray himself as a saint. You know, I used to think that, you know, if God was going to open the door and say, enter heaven, that he will be the first one at the seat. But now I know that he was not destined for that because of what he has done. But we can't speak on behalf of God. God says, I bless who I bless. But the reality of the matter is that I don't know if he was watching pornography, because I know that in our relationship, when talking, we were not people who liked pornography. In fact, pornography was really a turn-off between us. We didn't like watching that. So I don't know in his private, personal life whether he was doing that. But I still believe that you have to be self-aware. You have to also, because you are a leader of society, because you are a leader in your workplace, you also listen to the things that we preach about, things that we teach about that are not helpful in family relations, in relationship with other people. Therefore, you know that if you watch too much pornography, what are the consequences of your actions? If you drink too much alcohol and you do not have control over your emotions and feelings, then that means you have to stop doing that. So I think that he was supposed to be in touch with himself and control what he watches, where he goes, how he does it. If he was able to control me and tell me that I should not be taking a glass of wine, that I've taken a glass of wine and therefore I must go and pray because I'm a sinner. And then he goes ahead and he was doing all these things. It tells you that he actually knew what he was doing. And he actually was able to control, manipulate us to believe that he is above a reproach, that he was such a very saint, a saint. Yes.
Sure, Mama Medi. O seka wa lebala gore o dutse lenaneo la araboleleng le Angel Noko gomme Angel Noko a boledišana le se se Kerone go nyaka go kwa story sa gagwe ka botlalo e ya go TikTok ya gagwe wena o tla mo hwetša ka re tlo fetša lenyane le o tla lefa di TikTok tša gagwe gore di ngwetse eng gore o kgone go ya o tsenelele wena e leng gore o re bona la mathomo ga wa kwa story sa gagwe in full o ye go TikTok ya gagwe o ye go di platform tše dintši mo YouTube o sharile story sa gagwe bjale re tšwela pele ka di-question tša rena se se Kerone ke nyaka go botša potšišo ke sharing your story publicly go affectile emotionally or go thušitše go heala?
You know, I took go share story sa ka ne le part ya gore ke fole.
Wow.
Ke
Were
bona
you
e le gore
ready?
gale ke le bottled up. Ke palela go go bolela because ha ne ke bolela dilo tše dintši ne ba di bitša gore di subjudice care. You know, o tla bolela gante ba ilo e berekiša against you wena in a court of law.
That's true.
So ne ke ntse ke bolela le very close friends Sometimes ke tla no besta gape-gape
Yeah,
ke kry-a
yeah.
batho ba bolela and then ke tla no bolela le nna mara ke bone gore mo le o ka re ke jera diphoso but after the 31st October 2024 I ne ke feela gore you know what I think now I've earned the right gore ke bolele ke phunye sekako
O phunye
se jo
sekako.
boladu batho ba bone gore ke eng se e leng gore se be se diragala mo maphelong a rena so I heal a lot. It's like you are actually cleaning your memory, your heart. You know, so because as I speak right now, I'm also able to even introspect.
Yeah.
To say, did I do things right? Did I do certain things wrong? Because one of the things that I know that I did not handle it very well was that I did not sit down with my children and take them through this process upfront. You know, I thought that I will have time where I will have a conversation with them about it before it exploded. The first person that I spoke to was my daughter-in-law. I thought that me and her were going to hold hands and deal with it. So,
Ka nthusenya le go feta.
yeah. So introspectively, I would have sat down with my son, my elder son, and maybe my daughter and said, guys, this is what I'm dealing with. But when I think about it, maybe God wanted me not to talk about it because maybe they would have behaved like the old mamas and gogos and aunts and uncles who would say, let's keep this in the family.
Yeah.
The way they love their father, I believe that they were going to feel so sorry. They were going to feel sorry for the potential repercussions. The consequences. Once this person ever convicted, so they would have thought about that and maybe felt sorry for him like they are doing right now.
Or
What
maybe
they are
discourage you from going forward ka story.
Yes, because that is part of their conversation. Their conversation is that we could have handled this as a family, in addition to the fact that they're just in total disbelief. Yeah.
Jwale se se Caron go no share no sa chabe gore go ka ba le di negative impact from people or families. King no sa chabe, and if no sa chabe, were you ready to stand for those negative impacts? And gape le gore mohlomongwe ba bangwe ka gore re phela mehleng ya bofelo, what if ile gore monna o ka re le ka toronko batho ba organize dilo mohlomong a decide gore go be le ka tsela ya fetjang bophelo ba gago o bo sa tshabe dilo tse di jwalo.
Go bolela nnete ke di naganne ke tsebile gore go na le ba ileng gore ba ka se amogele story se gabotse ba ileng gore ba dumela gore ne ke sa swanela go bolela ne ke swantse ke humotse and then ka iputsisa gore at whose expense. I've been quiet for 7 years. I've been quiet. I said, come what may. If I perish, let me perish. Because ke bona ile gore nnete ya bitleletswa tle moka. A lot of people ba suppressa nnete and I felt gore look, this is the truth. Even if ke robetse, o ka mputsisha diputsisho o di butsishang gone jwale, ke tlo di araba go ya le ka nnete because a gona maka ke a bolela mo. Ke story se ke se kweleng, ke story se ileng gore ke se shetse morago, ke ntwa e leng gore ke lwele. So ke tsebile gore family go na le family e leng gore ba sa bolela gore awa o bua se wa ba swanela go ya ko TikTok. Re gagauthane. Ba bolela ba re a wa swanela go bolela ko TikTok gone jwalo o re bea maemong a mabe batho ba re botsisha gore go diragalang go ya kae. Ntho e leng gore ke direle was just to make sure gore at least I keep the minors protected. I don't mention the names and just to speak the truth. So to be honest, this is a very painful truth. I don't care who get hurt by me telling the truth. Let them go to the Lord and ask the Lord to heal their hearts, just like I'm doing.
Wow. la tekwaela batheletši se se Caron o a bolela mo araboleleng o ntšha bopelo o kore boteng ba pelo ya gage ga a nyake go šia selo ga a nyake gore ga e wa fase a we fase a swere dilo ka mogare ga gage o nyaka gore setori sa gage se phološe ba bangwe se kwa ba dula le monna ka lelapeng goba yena mosadi mohlomongtse dintši di dira ke basadi ka gore le bana ba bannyane re na le o dikwa ditori ba re ba reipilwe ke basadi o seka wa dula ka ditori tše di segong tše di sa tsebagaleng le tše di sa tsamaeng ka tsela o šireletša lerato le e le goreng a le go išofelo se se Caron ke wa bolela le wena ge e le go nyaka go bolela tla mo a re bolele le Angel Noko o tlo bolela boteng ba gago o bolele gore wena o gatile kae wa feta kae kore wa wina jwang bofelong ka gore se se Caron o inne ka gore a emele leseana le e leng goreng ne go sena le a le bolelelang gore a le bolelelang legato se se Caron batho ba nyaka go tseba dipotšišo ke tše dintšhi ba mamedi part 1 ya dipotšišo part 2 le yona e tlo tla gobane nako ya rena ga se ntšhi re ka se fetse dipotšišo tša lena ka mokana ga tšona ka letšatši le tee mara thabela go gonnyane mo re go dirile legodo le tše dingwe tše di tlo latela ka bo part 2 ditaba tša bophelo ba gage tša mengwagangwaga di ka se fele ka one day re a kwanana ba mamedi se se Caron wa tseba gore go diragalang batho ba sa nyaka go tseba gore na bjale mme wa leseana le a fitlhegileng wena o emelela leseana le e le gore ba a kwešiša gore ke la gago mara se la gago ka madi ba nyaka go tseba gore mme o yena o ra gore gare ga ife ke mme o e le goreng monagano o sa bereka o sa kgona gore dumelang le ka ya go arabe ga botse ba nyaka go tseba gore na wa yena a sa tswelele ra mo bona ra tekwa gore ke eng se e leng goreng yena a sa kitima ka morago ga gago go ntse mo etelela pele na ba nyaka go tseba gore na ke mme wa mohuta mang o e le goreng o diphitlhile wena o riska ka ngwana wa gage in the social media gore motho mongwe le yena a thušege a fole through your story ke gopola go share story sa gago ke bone sena le mo se connectang le saka sa leseana le ba se ba le tšereng matsogong aka jwale ba nyaka go tseba gore na ka gore re le bomme ra fišegelelwa ka bana ba rena re a lwa ntwa kore kgwatha mosadi wena ka bana ba gage kampe wa morapalatša as long as o so morapalatše fase a ya ga maotwana khunyela o tlo lwa whether o swere dibetšatše di kakang jwale mme wa ngwane o kae o reng a sa tetsweletše a sa bontšhe concern ka ngwano lerato la gage le kae ba mamedi ba nyaka go tseba
a tseba my younger sister o rata bana ba gagwe ka pelo ya gagwe ka moka mara jwale ka ge re le batho malapa na le mathata so re godile re sena le bomma bomma ba rena ba tlhokofetse re sa le ba bannyane ra di kgodiša rena ka borena le bomane le borakgadi mole le mole so ngwane wa gešo my younger sister had a problem where she had life challenges and then a losa mmereko wa gagwe so that affected her life very badly but she had children so unfortunately she was not able to take care of the children. Just like any other families, you as the elder sister, you'll always step in. So I stepped in. And then when this incident took place...
You stepped in by taking one of
the children.
Kids, or all of
the
them?
Children, they were all staying with us, sometimes staying with my other younger sisters.
Okay.
Then when this when this incident took place, after this child actually had to go to the mother to tell her what had happened. She told the mother first.
Okay.
And the mother took her to the clinic, to the doctor, where they conducted all the tests. So that's why evidence was there. But it then further affected her. Ko re ile ya mo hlaka-hlakanya mo e leng gore bophelo jwa gagwe ga awa. Jwale jwa napa jwa ba worse. Ne a tinwela majwala ngwana gešo because mmereko no mo feletše now bana ba gagwe ebile ba ba so affected and according to what she told me and what the policeman who was doing the investigation told me was that this incident actually further worsened her situation because when they went to go and talk to her She couldn't even answer. She was just crying, hysterically. And then they couldn't even get anything out of her. And every time when I spoke to her, she was just saying how sorry she is. She was even feeling guilty that it was because of her that her child got violated. She took it so bad. And we tried to take her to counseling. I think you also recall there's one of the videos where I was appealing to the public to say if there's any help that they could extend was to conscript her into counseling, rehabilitation center. Maybe she can be healed. And at some point, I thought that, you know what, let me also open a case against her for negligence, which I did tell to the police to say, look, arrest my younger sister for being negligent because she was supposed to open the case. But the policeman said there is nothing to arrest because she was just in a very terrible situation. And I said, look, take her in because maybe the prison will rehabilitate her because that's what I thought. You know, it was a very difficult journey. A lot of things were just going on in my mind, like arrest her, put her in prison. And then I remember I said even to the policemen, arrest even all of them who knew about the story, did not do anything about it. And then they will say to me, look, cool down. Let's tackle one issue at a time. If they will have to be arrested, let the magistrate rule that way, that you know what, you are an accomplice because you were in possession of this kind of information and you did not do anything about it. So it was just like so many things. And then I later realized that I actually needed everybody on my side to help them because this is my younger sister's daughter's battle. But it also affected my marriage. It affected my children. I don't have any relationship according to my children in a statement. I'm not talking about something that I'm making up. If you go to get the docket and you ask for it, they have categorically put it there that they don't have a relationship with their mother as a result of this case. So I don't have a relationship with my two elder children because of this case. So as a result, it cost me a lot. But I still believe that the biggest person who this case affected, it is this child.
Jwale ne ke nyaka gore o tswelele dipha ka sesi wa gago o monyane gobane le nna ke le mme ke a ipušiša gore na le ge e le gore mo affectile go kry-a ngwana wa gago e le gore o maemong a jwalo, first thing that you do, you run to the doctor. Yes, she did. But why she kept quiet? Because go le mme o ratang bana ba gago, you go crazy for your children. You go crazy. O ka rapalala le ko tseleng wa re e setšhaba nthušeng ga ke se gore ke face jwang my sister. Yena lerato la gage why a choositse gore a ye go nwa majwala a dire eng ngwana o ne a mo rata go kana-kanang ka gore go le motswadi go le sesi wa ka ngwana ka o tla pele ga gago ke eng se se mo dirang gore a homole yena
le nna ke tshepa jalo. In fact a se yena fela
ke ra yes ke a gopola gore ba khopotse ka moka
seemo sa gagwe ke sona go ya le ka mogo ke bonang se mo paledišitšeng gore I am mara ha ba bolela because ka mokana ga bona ke ba re confrontile ne tla ka ba confronta my younger sisters or what kind of people are you? Why can't you stand up for me against this man?
Yes.
Why didn't you say over our sister's daughter?
Yes.
Are you our sister? Are you going to do something like this? None of them had the guards
Yes.
to confront my husband. This man was so respected and he was so holy,
Yes.
so perfect that I think maybe even though they hear the child, they believe the child, but they couldn't believe it.
Wow.
I'll tell you what, the day when this child's mother told the other sisters what had happened, my ex-husband was in our home in Jane Fest.
Wow.
What happened is that there was an imbizo taking place. And then as we were talking, I said to him, then you can go via my home and greet them. Oh, he did. He went there. And then he was there. While he was sitting in the sitting room, this is another drama.
Wow.
While he was sitting in the sitting room, my younger sister got a phone call from her sister saying, hey, this is what had happened. They say the temperature, the mood in that house changed. They were all frozen. They were all shocked. They didn't know what to do. It was my younger sister, the last born, my younger sister, the second born, and then the mother was in Johannesburg calling them to tell them about that. Then my ex-husband was in there. My ex-husband had traveled with my younger sister's son, who was like helping him to drive because they were there. They knew about it. I can't wait, even I myself, to put them in one room and ask them what transpired, what happened during that moment, on that day, because it is just it's a mystery. Because I don't know, I would have cut his hand or something. I don't know. I don't think that he would have driven back to Johannesburg and spend the entire year with my sister in her bedroom, in her house, knowing what this man had done.
Ish.
They need to explain themselves to say, how did they manage? But I'm not going to underestimate the fact that it was painful on their side.
Yeah.
Maybe I'm trying to understand them because they are my younger sisters, but I think that they really struggled
Yeah.
with dealing with this. Even I myself, I still, I believe this child, but I had to give him the benefit of the doubt, because my reaction as well, it was like on that day, you know what, I need these people to come because I wasn't even not sure of what I was going to do. So I needed some people to come and witness, some people to come and actually restrain my anger.
Yeah.
Because I was very angry. I was very angry, but I said to myself, okay, you are angry 1 year ago, but I have to confront it today. In fact, I had already acted.
Yeah.
And that is what he used against me to say, you act, now you come and talk to me. And I'm like, I could only say that I'm sorry, but I believed in my action that, you know what, I'm just saying I'm sorry because I don't want you to kill me. I'm just saying I'm sorry because I don't know where else to go.
Yeah.
I mean, where to from that day? Everything of ours is so intertwined. I mean, it was at a time in my life when I thought that we are journeying into our eternity.
Wow.
That this is it. I was even thanking God to say, God, thank you for giving me such a nice man. Now we are entering the third part of our life, which is like peaceful. It's just the two of us. Our children have grown and everything. And then you get hit by something like that. A part of you get paralyzed. And I think that is how I was able to survive these 7 years, is because a half of me was dead. And then along the way, I kept on being revived, reassuring myself, you know what, you're doing the right thing. It is true he has done what he has done. There's no shadow of doubt that this child is lying. Look at what the court are saying to you. Look at what the investigation is revealing. So there was a constant reminder that he has done what he has done. His actions in particular as well. So, yeah.
Swale se se Caron ke nyaka go kwešiša gore na ga re ga nyaka e ka fola ga ena go diragetseng. Do you think this pain e go diragetseng mo lenyalong la gago it will take a lifetime to heal, or so fodile already, or you still in the process?
I'm in the process of healing. Healing is a journey. There are days when you're feeling like, because we build memories.
Yeah,
You have albums. You have friendships that you've established, relatives that you were sharing together, and then when you meet them, they remind you of who you used to be, both of you. I remember that I struggle also attending funerals by myself. I used to struggle doing all those things, but I'm managing. I'm trying to say, okay, well, look, I have to move on. I have to get on with life and accept that this is the reality. I think the most important thing about healing is acknowledging your reality, accepting that your
You cannot
husband,
change things.
your husband molested, violated your younger sister's daughter.
And it
That is
won't
what he did,
change.
and it won't change. Your children find it very hard to believe that you could do that to your husband. That is the reality. They are not here with you. You have bills and account responsibilities to face on your own. You have to deal with it. And most importantly is that if God has given you life,
Yeah, that's what
enjoy
matters.
it.
Yeah.
Enjoy it. And I meet very nice people, people like yourself,
Yeah.
beautiful souls that have just found my story resonating with their journey.
Yeah.
And when we hugging and sharing the pain and
Thank
healing
God.
as we go along. So it's not one day. There are days when I just wake up and I'm like, where am I? You are busy walking in the house and then you can hear your footsteps because the house is so empty.
Yes.
It used to be a full house.
And now
then
things change within a blink of
exactly.
an eye.
And you quickly just say, you know what, God, thank you. I would be making noise, screaming, shouting. Now I'm by myself. So let me just get on with my life. Let me just move on. It's not
Mamamedi,
easy.
Mamamedi, la te kwaela. Bohloko ba mosadi. Go le mosadi o ile re o fetile mathateng, bohloko ba mosadi o mongwe ba go tsena le wena, wa ipotšiša gore ge nkabe e le nna ne ke tlo dila jwang le maemo a. Le a kwa gore mme wa ngwana o e leng goreng o raipilwe ke ex-husband ya Sissy Caron. Mme wa ngwana o kile a thusa go kgomola, a tenela ka naga, a nwa majwala, a se tsebe gore a dile jwang le situation. A na ge e ne le wena e le ngwana wa gago a raipilwe, ne o tlo dila jwang ka situation. Bohlomphe bophelo ga bo bapale. Sissy Caron, do you miss the man? Do you miss your ex-husband? Do you have that moments where you just close your eyes and miss him? Batho ba nyaka ho tseba.
These people are asking very interesting questions.
Because they feel gore
my
what's
word.
about Sissy Caron, they feel gore wa bolela ka ena mare there's this side o mo filelang, and then o boe back o be angry, ba feel gore you're still in disbelief.
I've not been in a situation where I miss him deeply. No, I am still very angry and I feel like he deserves what he got because he took advantage of an innocent child and he took advantage of me. So I am not feeling any love for him. I'm still very, very angry.
Yeah,
Angry. I think that he was just an evil man who was in my life because if he valued what I valued, he would not have gone to this length to ruin our relationship. So I pray that I never think fondly of him because he was just really horrible. The other thing is that, what he did has actually brought to the fore the fact that he was very controlling
Oh.
in a manipulative manner, that he was actually a very narcissist. There are certain things that I'm doing now, and when I reflect, I ask myself, but why wasn't I able to do this? Because he was really able to control me to believing so less of myself, so low of me. So I don't miss him at all. I just feel like he deserves to be in that prison. He belongs there because he kept me in prison for my whole life. 35 years is a long time where you have been with a man who has made you believe that you are breathing, but you are not breathing. He actually suffocated you a little bit, even not a little bit, more,
Mama Medical lapeng le a kwa gore se se Caroline o ntšha ditaba tša gage tša bophelo ba gage bo bo fetileng jwang. Bjale se se Caron, go na le potsišo e batho ba nang leng go e bolela ba e botsiša basadi ba bantši ebile re a blamiwa re le basadi gore banna ba bantši ba re ipa ka lebaka la gore rena re ba gana ka dijo tša moya tša bone. E ka ba gore ke nnete na? Nna ke a e ganetša mane ke ra a ge motho e le mpša ke mpša. Wena o reng?
Motho a le mpša ke mpša.
Motho a le mpša ke mpša.
Yeah, no, I had a relationship with my husband where I never ever denied him his conjugal rights. He had everything available for him. I don't remember ever leaving my home or walking away. Nna ne ke sa ope ke tlhogo hle moka.
Ya ga.
Aowa, nna zanga ka opa ke tlhogo. Ene ka se nkope. I don't believe in that. Nino ba mpša.
Wow.
He chose to be what he is. It was not about, I respected him. I gave him so much respect and love. And I served him food on a tray. We had, I created a very lovely ambience. Otherwise, if there was no ambience, given Jorgim Bjarang, I think he would have left. So maybe he wanted his bread, his cake. He wanted to have his cake and eat it at the same time. That is why he could not leave, maybe. Because there was comfort, there was love, there was peace in the house. And he would go and do whatever he did and come and just brainwash me. And
Wow.
that man, when I think about him, I don't miss him. I really
you don't
don't.
miss
I
him.
still have to
Yeah.
answer that question of yours to say, there's no part of me that will ever allow him in my life. But because, you know what, I think I'm a very kind person.
Yeah.
Do
Do you think he took advantage of you somehow?
He really did. He took a lot of advantage of me. He really did. That he did. And he still wanted to take advantage of me, even in the past 7 years. I mean, where did he get the nerve to say to me that, you know what, because you feel so sorry for me? He knew. Because you feel so kind and you want to help me. Help me by saying that you have a bipolar.
Wow. O go fa bolwetse bo bo neng bo se go mmeleng wa
Can you
gago.
imagine me declaring that I have a bipolar? And then he was not even saying have bipolar to help me. He meant you declared that you have bipolar. So they struck the case of the role because they say you were not normal. And then he then goes ahead. He says he takes away your right. He takes away your right to make any meaningful decision because you know what? You are going to be declared incapable of making a decision on your own.
Yeah.
That's how smart he was. That man calculated everything that he was doing. That is why he got the sentence that he got, because he was not remorseful. He actually calculated everything that he did. And even in his defense, but his defense was so weak. And according to him, was so strong. It was so weak because he targeted me.
Yes.
But you know what? I had nothing to say in that court. The only thing that I said was that I was told. Imagine somebody fighting you because you were told.
Sheesh.
Whereas he was supposed to target the child because the child told us.
You know, target
Now
away na
he's
motho
targeting
wrong.
me
Wow.
for having taken this child to the police station and opening a case. something that I'll forever cherish, to say, God, I thank you that you made me to take that step. I will never regret that.
Wow.
I will never regret that. And I think every woman out there, take a child to the police station, stand for the child,
True.
do something that is right and that is just. Every time when I ride, I drive that road to the police station, I'm always reminded of that bold step.
Wow.
And I didn't do it. It was God's grace.
Wow. Bamamedi ka malapeng le a kwa gore se Carone o dintšha ka mokana ga tsona a re go le mosadi o le situation ya go swana le ya gage emelela, stand for your child. Ngwana o a raipilwe go goba a go keditswe go go raipiwa, emelela o se gomole in the name of love, in the name of gore wena monno wa go fepa o dirang robala ka tlala modimo gona o emele nnete leseana leo modimo tlo le nyaka go wena a rena go kadimile leseana motho a le dira diagola wena o dirileng ka re o tsebile ka taba e bjale re šia ke nako ga ra šala ka di-minutes tse dintšhi ke tlo botsiša se se Carone dipotšišo tše pedi fela and then le ena a nape a re tswalelele e be papai diphati tša bobedi di tlotla ditaba tša lehono le di-question tša lehono di ka se fele ka letšatši le le tee se se Carone batho ba nyaka o tseba gore na jwale ka ge ngwana o gontšwa le o bolela gore o 17 years e ka ba e le gore ka mokgwa e le gore o 17 years tšatši le lengwe ba ka mmona a tepolelela story se ka bo yena na gobane ke gopola ga botse phate o rile go e bolela wa re go khunama wa tseba o hlakahlakana le nna ka hlakahlakana ke le gole mošamawatle jale ba nyaka o tseba gore na ngwana o e ka ba e le gore ka mokgwaleng ka gona one day o tla ba brave a bolela e le ka tsela ya go lemoša ba e le gore ba mengwageng ya go lekana le ena.
I think, we're trying to say to her that, you know what, your life can actually save other young children.
Yeah.
And then if you are confident, when you are ready, share your story. Wow. She will do that at the right time, at her own pace. Okay. We won't force her to do that. But for now, I think we just wanted to focus on her education. Okay. And then when she get an opportunity to want to speak, she will be able to do that at her own time. Yeah, but she's a very brilliant. I love that child. I love her innocence.
Yeah.
I love her honesty.
Yeah.
I love her warmth.
Okay.
I love her intelligence. And I think children like that, you need to really protect them. You need to really care for them. So yeah, I think she will do that.
Will you ever get married again? Do you still believe in love?
A lot of people were asking me that. They asked me if I still believe in love.
Because bohloko bo bokana ba bantši ba re nna ke sa monyaka monna mo a tseneng gona hei nna ke lapile ka monna ke mo hloile re nyaka wa tseba gore wena gare ga bohloko bo bokana are you still gonna believe in men again and o believe go lenyalo gape na o sa monyaka monna na?
I think I'm not gonna rule out the possibility of falling in love. I think that the fact that this man has become what he became, I don't think we should paint all men with the same brush. I think there are good men out there, and one day God will bless me with my soulmate. Wow. I think God cannot really punish me twice. Yeah. I'm looking forward to really. I think there is a soulmate out there. So I believe in marriage. Yeah. I believe in love. I believe in family.
Wow.
I think that there's hope out there.
Yeah. Re tšea maatla ba mamedi.
Yes.
Jwale ke na le question ya bofelo e leng goreng e tswa one of mo mamedi mo di-commentseng tša gage tša TikTok le ba bangwe ba tlile direct go yena ba mmotšiša dipotšišo. Potšišo e ke ya bofelo gomme se se Carone re tle re mo fe sebaka a tla bolele gore na ka morago ga tše tšohle napile yena o gatela jwang pele ka bophelo bjale ka ge monna a le ka gare ga tronko ke re o ka kwa behind metšhini ya makgowa ba sa mohlatswa ke tshepa gore ga e tswa ka gona o tlo tswa e le monna le yena a nape a sherele ba bang. Life in
prison, he's not coming out. He must stay there.
Le teko etse ba mamedi se se Carone go na le momamedi a nyakile go tseba gore na o bo o le mozalwane kore o le mozalwane o tseneletseng o kereka le monna o le swarane ka matsogo wena wa no napa wa jampa dilo tse kao fela wa nyaka go apara mašela godimo ga tlhogo ya gago wa nyaka go tswalela mahlo wa ba le muslim go diragetseng ka gore batho jwale gona mo ba sharakane ba re hao mme o re motshepile so ebile re bona bolela language ya modimo na o sa re ala
Allahu Akbar.
jale ba nyaka go tseba gore na ke go fa 2 minutes fela gore o arabe question ya gore why batho jale ba sharakana le bona ba ipotsa gore mohlomongwe ge re ka tloga mo letumeleng ele ra kena go ya sesi caron mohlomongwe yona a ke sebe ke eng e go
Ha ba
attractile
swanelo sharakana. Re dumela go Modimo. There is God. I believe in God. I worship God through Islam. I think Islam is one of the peaceful religions that one can really ever follow. I think that it has given me a home. It has given me peace. It has given me comfort
Mara ba
and
nyaka go
and
tseba gore
responsibility.
why wa rola
I think
bona
ntho e diragetseng that o bona 2020, 2019, I get 2018, then 2019 because at church they were not really helping my situation.
they were
So
worsening
they were
it.
worsening my situation. I was not helping. So then I could not go to church. I was just staying, but I was longing to pray. I was longing to be still fellowshipping because I believe in God. I may not believe in the building and the people who go to church, but God is supreme. Ne? God is our Father. Is Allahu Akbar.
Yeah.
Ne? La ilaha illallah. There's no any other God but Allah. I believe in God. So I had to worship. And then my friends, I remembered when I was in the Gambia, I was hanging around Muslims. And then when the opportunity came, I took my Shahada and I said, let me fellowship the Islamic way. And I am not looking back. I enjoy being a Muslim. I enjoy going to Juma on Friday because that's a gathering of Muslims. You know, when we fellowship together, God gives us blessings. And it is really not against God. It is not against Jesus. That's what I believe. But I'm not in a position to really be arguing more, except to say that I am still your sister. I am still Sis Karen. I'm still believing in God. There is nothing that I will do in this world going forward without God.
In a second, what will you say in ka mantswe a gago a go tswalela ke bone o le di-foundation tse dintšhi ke bone o na le dilo tse dintšhi tse o di bulang tša di-whatsapp tša ding re botse re nape re tatako ba mamedi.
First of all, let me just say thank you to all the followers that I got through TikTok. Through their support, through their love, they were able to give birth to a foundation which is called Karen's Foundation. And then the foundation is called HUG Foundation. HUG means heal, unite and grow, because a lot of you said to me, you just want to meet me, you just want to hug me. Then I used that hug and I said, turned it into an acronym that says HUG, heal, unite and grow. The foundation will be really doing a lot of work in helping survivors of gender-based violence. We are going to do mediation. We are going to do counseling. We are going to do bringing victims, perpetrators, families together to try and understand that at the end of it all, while we have victims and survivors who have to face the full might of the law, but we also have to support that the criminal justice system must be given an opportunity to take place. You know, so that people must not be fighting while there's justice that can be served. But having done that, we want them to understand. We don't want them to be broken beyond. So we want to provide sustainable counseling for the victims. We want to also support the victim empowerment centers in the courts so that they do not run out of resources while we have people who can volunteer to do that. So I have established a HUG Foundation, and then we will be launching it very soon. But I also ask them to still go and follow me on TikTok. I'll be bringing more information as we go along, just to support each other, just to hold each other, and just to give each other a hug. Heal, unite, grow.
Ke bone le gore o na le YouTube gape aowa bamamedi nako ya ka e sepetse ba nsaenela ba metšhini gore aowa Angel o tla tla o bua ka part 2 jwale followang sese Caron o boletse ka di-platform tša gage gore o kgopela gore le mo followe ge le nyaka o tseba mo ka story sa gage nna ke le mo lenaneng la a re boleleng le Angel Noko ke re nna le sese Caron tla ke go leboge go tla mo
Thank you.
lenaneng la a re bolele le Angel Noko
Ke a leboha.
we learned a lot re tla tla re bua ge modimo a ratile ka part 2 ke le ngwanyana ga Noko ke re tata
Thank you. Ke a leboga.
o leboga nna sese